Dear ones, today we have a speaking session, and in this speaking session, you have to describe Arnim Monser, about whom you read yesterday, and you have to describe that person in your own way, in your own language. Now it depends upon you what facts you can describe about him, like his age, like his height, like his weight, like his experience when he came to know about the disease. Why was he in Canada in the hospital? Now it is upon you, and for it you can have 2 minutes time to read the passage, but that is not for iteration. This is just for getting the facts. So you can have only 2 minutes time, and then start giving your names in the message box. I think my instructions are clear to you, and in this the first name is of Anju, then Rakshit, then Harsh. Okay, we are starting today's speaking session with Anju. Where is Anju?
तो सर मेरा नाम है
कहाँ है तेरा नाम? अच्छा, गौरव का नाम है पहले. यस, कम ऑन गौरव. हैप्पी बर्थडे गौरव.
सर. हाँ सर, थैंक यू.
2-3 हजार साल तक जियो तुम.
हाँ सर, थैंक यू सर.
2-3 हजार साल जी लेगा? 2-3 हजार
सर
साल बोल रहा हूँ.
एक साल.
चल बोल, टॉपिक पे आ जाओ.
सर पर है ना, 1000 साल है ना, भगवान पहले उठा ले. सर 1000 साल पहले उठा ले भगवान, फिर 1000 साल तक परेशान करूंगा पीढ़ियों को.
ओहो, दीदियों को. Those who
पीढ़ियों
didn't wish him
पीढ़ियों
for his birthday. और दीदियों को सबसे ज्यादा परेशान करेगा ये
पीढ़ियों
दीदियों
को, मतलब
whom?
पीढ़ियों,
पीढ़ियों को.
जनरेशंस.
ओहो,
1000 साल.
खतरनाक आदमी है. तो चला जा. About Arnim Monte
Yes
says,
sir.
come on.
So once there was a guy whose name was Arnim Monde, sir, and he was suffering from kidney problems.
शाबाश.
His kidney was kind of failed. So he was waiting for a transplant in a hospital in Canada. And twice a week he went to hospital and was diagnosed. Yes sir.
No, not diagnosed. For
So
purifying his blood through machine.
for purifying his blood because his kidney were failed. Kidney were failed. So there was a machine which pulled his cake and then purified it and then sent the blood back. And it usually took 6 hours. And time passed. He wrote letters to his children. And one day while writing the letter, he was reminded of, or his thought drifted away. He was reminded of the beginning of all this when during a regular checkup it was found that he had high blood pressure problem, but he ignored it and said to himself that it can be controlled. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good. You missed many facts. I think other participants will be careful about it. So yes, now come on, Anjali. Yes. Anju madam.
Yes sir.
आजा.
So hello. Yes sir.
बोल.
हाँ sir. So hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena and my today's topic is the story that we read yesterday. that we read yesterday. So this is the story of a guy who have a high pressure,
हाई प्रेशर नहीं, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर.
BP, high
फोकस कर थोड़ा,
BP
फोकस कर.
problem.
हाँ, बर्थडे भैया का है, तेरा नहीं है, फोकस कर.
तो पता ही. High BP.
हाँ,
High BP
हाँ.
problem. So his name is Ariana Mondes sir.
हाँ.
He was felt far from his house. He went twice a day to hospital for purifying his blood.
शाबाश शाबाश.
And it take almost far.
टेक क्यों आएगा, टुक आएगा ना, पास में चलेगा जरा.
To 4-5-6 hours. And he thought his first yearly checkup. First
आराम से फोकस कर थोड़ा.
checkup. When he know that he have a high blood
He knew.
pressure
वो
problem.
कैसे आएगा, जो बोल रहा हूँ बार बार, पास्ट में जाएगा.
New IBP problem.
About his
About
ब्लड प्रेशर प्रॉब्लम. हाँ, पूरा बोलो थोड़ा, जैसे क्या कर रहे हो. हाँ.
okay sir. He thought he don't worry, and he thought it can be controlled.
Could be controlled. ओके, मजा नहीं आया आज, ध्यान कहीं और है तेरा. कोई बात नहीं है. यस नाउ रक्षित, सुना करो एक दूसरे को ध्यान से. यस.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the story of Arnim Mondesir. So he was a study man and had a height of 1.75 meters and had a weight of 90 kilos. And he had a good health before, and he was a police inspector. But so this story begins when Arnim Mondesir was sitting on a chair on a lounge chair in Toronto's Wellesley Hospital kidney dialysis unit, where he was there for filtering his blood through machine because he had kidney failure, and he had to go to the hospital twice a week, and the filtering process took 6 hours to be done. And he had been living in Canada for 10 months, and he had been waiting for a transplant treatment for 10 months in Canada. And so when he was sitting in the hospital, he had a lot of leisure time, so he thought to write a letter to his 4 children. So he wrote a letter to his 4 children who were living in Trindad. And when he was writing that letter, he remembered his past years when he had a good health. He did not had any disease, and but this whole thing changed when he went to get a treatment, and at that time he got to know that he had the problem of high blood pressure. But at that time he didn't panic. Just he thought that he could control the problem of high blood pressure. That's it, sir.
Very good, shabash. He tried to put all the facts, and you all must try it. Okay. Yes. Now, after Rakshit Harsh, आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Sajan. Today I am going to tell you about a person whose name is Elom,
His name was में बोलो आप इसको.
whose name
Was
was
class में बोलो.
Armin Mondesar. So he was once an inspector, but now he is suffering from kidney dialysis. It means that kidney dialysis is the illness which happens in a person whose kidney is failed, means his or her kidney is not able to purify their blood. So he was suffering with this disease, and he was in Canada for 10 months, and he was waiting for his kidney to be transplanted. And he was in a kidney dialysis unit in Canada only, and every 2 weeks he was suggested to come and purify his blood, so that he could live longer and do not face any difficulty in his life regarding this. And it took 6 hours for doctors to purify his blood. So he was alone and didn't have anything to do. So he used to read letters. He used to read books and write letters to his family, and in which there were 4 children of him.
Was क्यों आएगा बनाएगा ना? And he had 4 children.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
And he reminded himself of a time when he was fit and fine, and once in a daily checkup he was told, सब डॉक्टर के द्वारा बताया गया, मतलब डॉक्टर सजेस्ट ही करेगा ना.
हाँ, वो टोल्ड आएगा, बताया गया कि बीमारी है. हाँ.
He was told that he is having kidney dialysis. From that day he is always ill, and when he first knew about it, he said to himself that it can be controlled, it is not a worry. And he said this to his children also. And the motto of this story or this passage is that health is wealth. That's it.
Very good. शाबाश. Very good. सब लोग सुना करो ध्यान से. Now this is the turn of Vaishnavi. आजा बेटा.
Good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi. Today I am telling about a story. There was a man whose name was
Arnim Mondesir.
Arnim Mondesir, and Arnim was suffering from a kidney problem,
शाबाश.
and
हाँ, ऐसे बेटा धीरे धीरे. हाँ.
he had to come Canada for his kidney dialysis treatment, and he had been living in Canada for about 10 months,
शाबाश. हाँ.
and he had to waiting for a kidney transplant, and he had been coming to hospital for a 2 week, and to see what the kidney will be performed, and to watch the blood flow through a machine, and he his treatment was started in 6 months, so he became bored, and he wrote a letter to his 4 children, and when he was writing the letter, he deeply, drifted into that letter, and there was a police inspector, and he who enjoyed the robust health, and at last the doctor said that you had a BP problem, so he ignored it, and he said, I could this control this BP. Yes, yes,
बेटा
yes,
सारे
sir.
थॉट्स इधर उधर कर
That's
दिए
all.
तुमने, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सब थॉट इधर उधर कर दिए तुमने। अब करना क्या है आपको? सुनो, घबराओ मत। आपने जो बोला हुआ है वो रिकॉर्डिंग में अवेलेबल होगा, उसको
हाँ,
सुनना अच्छे से एक बार आप, और पैसेज आपके पास अवेलेबल है, पढ़ना इसको अच्छे से। आगे मेरी बात समझ में बेटा? अच्छा
yes, वो
बोला
थोड़ा
आपने, आपकी फ्रेमिंग सही थी, सब कुछ ठीक था, पर गड़बड़ कहाँ हो गई बेटा? अरेंज नहीं हो पाए पूरे थॉट्स अपने। अब लास्ट में थोड़ी बताया था डॉक्टर ने उसको कि तुम्हारे को किडनी प्रॉब्लम है, तुम्हारे को हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है। कुछ थॉट्स मतलब पढ़, सुनना एक बार अपनी रीडिंग आप, है ना? रीडिंग अपनी अपनी
ठीक है।
स्पीकिंग को एक बार सुनना बेटा। सुनते ही आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, शांति से बैठ के सुनना कि यार कहाँ गड़बड़ हुई। क्लियर हो गई बात आपको? बस
Yes,
इतना
sir.
सा करना है आपको, थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है बेटा, और है ना? ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक करोगे, हो जाएगा ठीक, कोई इशू नहीं है। ये कोई ऐसी चीजें नहीं है जिनको अपन ठीक नहीं कर सकते। नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस में आपका, नेक्स्ट आपका जो भी होगा उसमें आपका अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस आना चाहिए, बस यही बात होती है ना? ओके, लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today, I am telling about a story. This depend on a man whose name was Arnim Mondesar, and he had been living for 10 months for his treatment in Canada, and in a week he went twice
नहीं,
to
twice.
twice to hospital for his checkup, and he was waiting for transplant
transplant
for transplant of kidney, and this treatment took 6 hours, and that time he started to write a letter to his 4 children, and in this time he drifted to in the beginning of his illness days, and he thought that I was strong and healthy man those days, and those days he was a specter, and
इंस्पेक्टर नहीं, इंस्पेक्टर, उच्चारण ठीक करो।
yes sir,
पुलिस
inspector.
इंस्पेक्टर, पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर।
Yes sir, police inspector, and that time he didn't care his health, and he so therefore he went to Canada for his treatment, and his treatment, and his blood was being cured by machine, and his kidney his kidney could no longer handle it, and so he took treatment by hospital. That's it sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है, और अच्छे से देखना, रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुनना, बहुत सारी बातें पता चल जाएंगी बेटा, है ना? घबराया मत करो, ये तो इम्प्रूवमेंट डे बाय डे करते रहो, बस बात इतनी सी है। यस सिमरन, कहाँ गई? आजा।
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, good evening. I'm Simran, and today I am telling about
the story of Amen and whose name was Arnim
Mondesir.
Arnim Mondesir, and uh, he was uh, he was fit and fine in his duty in his duty time because he was a police inspector and
Hmm.
uh, but he was suffering a he was suffering high
From
blood
from high blood pressure.
he was suffering from high blood pressure uh, a- and uh, he treat he was treat he treatment he was treatment uh, in Canada hospital
He
because
went to Kannada hospital for his treatment. ना बेटा?
okay, sir.
Okay, आगे बोल बेटा.
And uh,
घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. बस फोकस करके रखेगी तो थॉट्स भी आ जाएंगे बेटा. हैंग नहीं होना है. नहीं आए तो भी कोई बात नहीं है. कोशिश कर बस.
and uh, in his on the treatment ट्रीटमेंट के समय इसको कैसे बनाएंगे
क्या चीज?
ट्रीटमेंट के समय
एट द टाइम ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट, एट द टाइम ऑफ डायलिसिस. बेटा उसको डायलिसिस बोलो आप.
एट द टाइम ऑफ डायलिसिस
आप उसको सेंटेंस को बोल सकते थे ही वेंट टू द हॉस्पिटल. He went to hospital for dialysis. So dialysis is a process to purify the blood, and it happens when kidney doesn't do this work. Okay बेटा, घबराना नहीं है, बस बिल्कुल भी आराम से बोलो आप. हाँ.
and at the is treatment time he also wrote letters and he also read books and letters and he sent letters uh, for his child for his children
To his children. हाँ.
to
बोल,
his
कोई बात नहीं,
children
चलेगा, बोल तू बेटा. हाँ.
and he suddenly thought when he was inspector when he always enjoyed with his good health and but one day he check up check up his
He checkup क्यों?
health.
He was
He was
checked up.
checked up his health and he found he was suffering high blood
from high blood pressure. हाँ.
he was suffering from high blood pressure
Hmm.
but when he didn't worry and he thought he was uh,
He could control it.
he could control it and he and सभी थोड़ा रुक के बोलूं
और कोई बात नहीं बेटा, है ना. नाम लिख देना, तेरा दोबारा बुलवा लूंगा बेटा, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, है ना बेटा। हाँ कोई बात नहीं बेटा, धीरे धीरे आएगा, ऐसे एकदम से नहीं आएगा, है ना। अपन अब जो चीज चाहते हैं ना, वो अपन क्या सिखा रहे हैं आपको, जो फैक्ट्स हैं उनको अरेंज करना प्रॉपर तरीके से। एग्जामिनेशन में भी तो करते हैं ना अपन, कैसे लिख के आएंगे फिर अपन, बता। वो सीखना है अब आपको धीरे 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 धीरे, ठीक है। कोई बात नहीं, घबराए मत, नाम लिख देना तेरा, दोबारा से फिर बुलवाएंगे। खुशी।
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Gujjar. I'm telling about a short story. A man whose name was Arman Mondesen. One day he was sitting on a chair at hospital, and he was there for dialysis kidney, and he went to hospital 2 times in a week, and he had been waiting for 10 months for transplant kidney.
Hmm.
He getting while getting treatment, he watched machine, and after that, while he started written
राइटिंग।
writing. Yes, sir.
घबरा
He
मत, आराम से,
started
हाँ अच्छा बन रही है।
writing.
हाँ।
He started writing a letter for his children.
हम्म।
While writing letter, suddenly a thought came, and he thought that about illness, how illness beginning,
हम्म।
and that time he was 1.75 meter tall and weighed 90 kilos.
हम्म।
He was a police inspector, and he was always healthy and strong.
हम्म।
And that time he got a checkup, and he knew that he had a blood pressure, high blood pressure. That time he didn't care, and he thought that it is normal, and it could be controlled. It he said, and but he didn't control it, and that's it, sir.
ओके, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की बेटा, घबराया मत कर बिल्कुल भी, है ना। हाँ, और सुनेंगे सब जरूर आज अपनी अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग अब। यस, नाउ खुशी के बाद अन्ना।
Hello everyone. So now I am talking about what a person.
हम्म।
Uh, so as you know, there is a person whose name is
आरनेम मोंडेसिर, आरनेम मोंडेसिर,
Arnim
मोंडेसिर।
Mondes.
हाँ चल आगे बढ़ जा।
So as you know, he has a problem of blood pressure. When he have good go to doctor and check that he has the problem of blood pressure. He think that when I don't go to doctor, I am very okay. But when I go to doctor, I am not good now. The doctor has
पास्ट में हाँ बोलो
had said to him that he have to क्या था interchange.
ध्यान लगाओ मैडम ध्यान लगाओ थोड़ा मैडम फैक्ट्स को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करना है बेटा थोड़ा ध्यान लगाओ बेटा एग्जाम में कैसे करोगे बताओ बोलो 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 अभी तो बोलो आप
Interchange the body parts. So as you know, it is it take very time to interchange the body parts. So if you also सर फंसने को क्या बोलता है
हैं
फंसने को
स्टक
you also stuck in this digi so what you do you will read a book or scroll reels or write any passage anything else or you cannot sit idle without doing any work now for 6 hours literally for 6 hours anything you do but you do not anything so in this situation he write letters
राइट क्यों आएगा बेटा पास्ट में आएगा ना ही वुड राइट
Wrote
आएगा फिर लिखता था लिखते थे ही वुड राइट वुड लगा दो मॉडल यहाँ पे
okay sir he would write some letters another the second one letter he has written for his 4 children because he remind his children again and again so he written the letter and then sent to children
रिटर्न क्यों आएगा रोट आएगा ही वुड राइट
wrote the letter and sent it to children twice in a week he have to come in a particular city nahi country in a particular country he have to come twice a week
पास्ट में ही हैड टू कम
he had to come I don't remember the country in which country he have to
had to
yes I remember he had to stay in Canada no not stay he have to come to Canada सर मुझे वो याद आ गया तो मैं इसको इंटरचेंज हो रही थी ना सर ट्रांसप्लांट ये कुछ था सर उसका मैं इसका ट्रांसप्लांट ऐसा कुछ था
कोई बात नहीं ट्रांसप्लांट बोल तू बोल थॉट्स इधर उधर हो गए मजा नहीं आया बोल
he go to Canada twice a week because his kidneys
were failed
don't working
don't क्यों आएगा did not work
so he had to go Canada twice a week for a checkup,
for dialysis.
for dialysis.
हाँ
Um, that's it, sir.
बेटा मजा नहीं आया, थॉट्स इधर उधर हो गए, प्रॉपर तरीके से अरेंज नहीं हो पाई चीजें, ठीक है, ठीक करना है थोड़ा सा।
Okay,
सभी
sir.
लोगों को हुआ है आज ये प्रॉब्लम। रिकॉर्डिंग सुनोगे आप, कल मैं आपकी इसी बात पे बात करूंगा, क्या सुना आपने, ठीक है ना? यस
Yes,
आदित्य,
sir.
आदित्य
Sir. Yes, sir. Good evening.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Aditya, and today's our topic is about a man. So, as we know that tomorrow we read a
tomorrow नहीं,
paragraph.
yesterday शुक्ले,
Yesterday we read a topic, a paragraph, and in this paragraph, main character is Arim Mohinder sir, who is a
आवाज आएगा ना,
was
पास्ट में बोलेगा कि नहीं बोलेगा तू?
वो was a inspector,
हाँ
and he and he live in Canada, lived,
हाँ
and suddenly his daughter became sick, and they always came to meet
कम टू मीट, टू के बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म,
come to meet to his daughter, and his daughter never think that what things I which things I which thing is for which things she had fight.
she had
And-
fight, बोलो बोलो आप बोलो, अभी तो पूरा करो एक बार।
and one day Mohinder sir came to hospital, and to his daughter medical operation, so medical checkup, which in 1973
which took place in 1973, आगे बोलो।
and showed him to the suffering from a high blood pressure, but his daughter did not worry, and thought it could be controlled. She said that. I said that's it.
ओके ठीक है, मैं घुमा के ले गया स्टोरी को ही आज, कोई बात नहीं, ओके। सो नाउ अनुज,
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Arun, and today the topic is about the story is about Arnim Mondesir, who was a an inspector, police inspector by profession. So
ध्यान से
the
सुनो इसको, हम सारे के सारे। हाँ
So the story starts when the Arnim Mondesir was in hospital.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छे बोल रहा है, सुनो अभी इसको ध्यान से, इधर उधर ध्यान मत लगाओ, सुनो ध्यान से इसको, कैसे आते हैं फैक्ट्स। हाँ बेटा बोल।
And he was sitting in hospital and seeing his machine that was showing his blood pressure flow.
Blood pressure नहीं, they were showing his blood purifying.
Okay. So he was in Toronto's hospital in Toronto, and he was laying on the bed, and yes, sir. And he was once had enjoyed his robust health, and he was 1.75 meter and 90 kilos of weight, and he was satisfied with his health, and the one decision or thought that had changed his life was that when he had a regular checkup, and that revealed his high blood pressure, and he ignored that completely, and he thought that it could be controlled naturally, but it didn't happen so. And so later he faced the problem of kidney dialysis, and the work of kidney is to
Kidney failure, not kidney
kidney
dialysis.
failure.
Dialysis is the treatment. Yes.
Yes, sir. And the work of kidney is to purify the blood, and as he was hoping for a kidney transplant, and
And he was hoping, he hoped.
yes, sir. As he hoped for a kidney to be transplanted in himself, and he unfortunately he didn't get, and he was going regularly for making his blood pure by a machine. So he used to go twice a week, and a regular a usual purifying treatment took 6 hours, and his kidney was at least at the stage when it could not purify the blood by itself. So he had to go to hospital twice a week to pure his blood. So this is the story. Yes.
ओके, शाबाश, थैंक यू वेरी मच। अब मैं आपको एक छोटा सा पॉइंट बोल रहा हूँ, सबको बोलना है उस पे। यू हैव टू स्पीक द वर्क ऑफ किडनी एंड व्हाट इज डायलिसिस। बस फोकस कर लो अपने आप को। मैं एक एक का नाम बोलूंगा और वो बोलेंगे। अब क्लियर? व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ किडनी एंड व्हाट इज डायलिसिस। ओके, आर यू रेडी फॉर इट? ज्यादा कुछ नहीं
Yes,
बोलना है
sir.
आपको, कुछ भी पंचायत नहीं करनी है फालतू की। किडनी एंड डायलिसिस, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट इट? यस, कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir. So, sir, the work of kidney is to purify blood and to extract the waste materials from blood and water, and form the waste material urine that is excreted from the human body. And dialysis means means a treatment known as hemodialysis. It is done when a person had the problem of kidney failure, so his or her kidney can't purify blood, so they go to take a treatment for purifying blood, and this process is known as dialysis. That's it, sir.
ओके, यस, कम ऑन गौरव।
Yes, sir. So, kidney is an important organ in our human body, and its work is to purify the water and also purify the blood. So, it separates the waste material and excretes it from human body in the
Yes.
form of urine.
शाबाश।
And the treatment known as dialysis or hemodialysis is where it takes place when a person has kidney failure, or his kidney is failed, or his kidney can't work. So in hemodialysis, it just does the work of the kidney. It purifies the blood, but it takes way longer than kidney. Like it takes like 6 hours. So that's it. Thank you, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and I'm telling first about the kidney. So, kidney is an organ of our body, and the main work of it is to make our blood pure and making water transforming the water into urine. So this is how it works, and the dialysis is what the dialysis is. Can be said that artificial kidney system that that performs the same as the kidney does, but is it outside the body? That's it.
Okay, ठीक है, अच्छा है interaction. Yes, come on, Harsh. Harsh, I think he's not here. Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Today I'm telling about the work of kidney. You know that kidney is a very important part of our body, and it is a very important because you know it extracts the waste material and it purifies the blood,
बहुत
and
बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा. हाँ बेटा.
and it is the main part of our body, and the dialysis means when a person is his or her kidney doesn't work, so the dialysis is the process that that purifies blood,
बस, very good, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ, बहुत अच्छा. हाँ.
purify the blood and purify the blood cells, and it takes about 6 hours. That's
Very good बेटा, ये तो बहुत अच्छा किया तुमने ना. Okay, शाबाश.
Sir,
आजा.
sir, question क्या था?
अरे यार, कहाँ चला जाता है? क्वेश्चन क्या था? अब सुन ले आराम से, अभी एक आध को लिसनिंग कर, बाद में बोलना. Yes, come on, आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Sir, kidney is very important organ in our body, and they help to.
देख क्यों लगाएगा?
They help.
इटाएगा ना जब
Yes,
किडनी बोल रहा है तो क्या? थोड़ा ध्यान तो रखा.
it help to our waste to out our waste material, and the illness of kidney is very bad, and we should
illness
always
क्या होती है? The failure of kidney is very bad.
the failure
थोड़ा
of
सा
kidney
शब्दों
is
को
very
ठीक कर,
bad,
थोड़ा सा बोल. सुनना कर थोड़ा दूसरों को, कितने अच्छे अच्छे वर्ड यूज करते हैं लोग. बोल.
and when our kidney fail, and doctor says you should drink
नहीं,
more
कोई
water.
जरूरत
So
नहीं है. आप छोड़ो डॉक्टर क्या कहता है क्या नहीं कहता. पॉइंट को पकड़ो. आप ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. किडनी का क्या काम है? व्हाट इज किडनी एंड व्हाट इज डायलिसिस. बात खत्म. ज्यादा उसको हौच पौच मत करो. हाँ,
that's it.
मजा नहीं आया ना? डायलिसिस के बारे में तो कुछ बताया नहीं. ज्यादा नहीं सोचना है, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट सोच के जवाब देना है. डॉक्टर क्या कहता है क्या नहीं कहता, हमें कोई मतलब नहीं. डॉक्टर नहीं आना चाहिए बीच में. किडनी क्या है उस पर फोकस करो, और डायलिसिस क्या है उस पर फोकस करो, बस. यस, कम ऑन हर्ष. आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As you all that we all have we all have a pair of kidneys which helps our body to purify the unwanted or the poisonous blood which is used by all our body and by in making glucose and energy for our body. Then it is full of CO2, which is carbon dioxide, and it is poisonous or harmful to our body. So we have kidneys to purify them, and if our kidneys do not work properly, then the doctor tells us that we are suffering for dialysis. And in dialysis, our kidney fails to purify the blood, and we have to artificially purify our blood so that our body can function properly without any breaks. So if you are feeling not good, or if you are feeling anything unokay with your body, then you should go and check up check up to a doctor so that you can find out that what is your problem. And if you are suffering from dialysis, then you should always assist a doctor so that
हाँ, you should always go to a doctor.
sir,
Assist
can
कैसे
it be
करोगे?
you should be assisted by a doctor.
हाँ, ऐसे.
You should always be assisted by a doctor,
हाँ.
which will always tell you about the condition of your body. That's it, sir.
शाबाश. देखो फ्लो भी बहुत अच्छा था. Everything was good. पकड़ो चीजों को. ऐसी चीजें आएंगी अब. बहुत हो गए मम्मी पापा. अंजलि.
Yes, sir. So hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meera and my today's topic is kidney and dialysis. Dialysis. Kidney is used to purify the blood, purify the blood, and dialysis is the process where blood purifies in hospital. But the machine is out of body. That's it, sir.
हो गया. हाँ बढ़िया
Yes,
जल्दी
sir.
करिया तूने तो एकदम से. हैं? चल कोई बात नहीं.
तो
नेक्स्ट.
छोटा सा आंसर बोला है.
कोई अब यार बिल्कुल बिल्कुल छोटी सी बच्ची छोटा सा आंसर देगी. यस अनु.
So yes, sir. Hello everyone. Now I am telling about a question what sir has asked. So hello everyone. Sorry, sir. So I am telling about kidney. So as you know, kidney is a very good helper of purifying the blood of our body. What we eat and what we eat, the good thing of it matured in our blood, and the wastage of it kidney has purified. And now I am telling about dialysis. So as you know, dialysis, we by kidney we purify our blood by our own, but in dialysis we purify our blood by hospital workers. So that's it.
थ्रू अ मशीन. है ना. थोड़ा सा ठीक करो बेटा अभी. हाँ पहनापन नहीं आ रहा जितना आना चाहिए. यस कम ऑन लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. I am telling about kidney, and kidney is important organ which
Core organ
help
is important organ of our body.
important organ of our body which help to puring our blood, and impure blood is exited by kidney, and dialysis is an artificial machine which work in the place of kidney when the kidney damage. That's it, sir.
ओके हो गया. कोई बात नहीं. अच्छी कोशिश है. घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुना करो. खुशी.
Yes, sir. I'm telling about kidney and dialysis. Dialysis is a machine which work in.
Dialysis is not a machine. Dialysis is a process.
Yes, sir. It works in a place of kidney. You know very well. Kidney is a kidney clean our body's blood and exit impure blood and wasted things. And kidney is a natural filter of our bodies. That's it, sir.
ओके ठीक है. कोई बात नहीं. घबराया मत कर बिल्कुल भी. सब अच्छा है ना. रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुनना. अपने आप दूसरे दिन इंप्रूव कर लोगे अगर पेशेंटली अगर आप अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग सुनोगे तो. क्या सिमरन.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Today is my topic kidney and what's the work of dialysis.
ना. What is the work of kidney and what is dialysis? बोल.
What is the work of kidney and what is dialysis? So you know what is kidney? Kidney is a part of our body, and it always removing waste products and it uh, filter our blood
हाँ
and water and it is a natural uh, it is a natural
filter
filter and dialysis is a process and when the kidney
हाँ
doesn't work,
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश
when we use this process,
हम्म
by this process uh, uh, we we can filter blood and we can maintain water water level in our body and
हाथ नीचे रख मुंह पे से हाथ नीचे रख हाँ अब बोल
okay sir and delay dialysis is a process and it is a and it is a it was it is not natural
it is not natural
filter. It is not natural filter and it always work um, work sir की जगह
at the place of
kidney death.
instead of kidney भी कह सकते हो बेटा instead of okay very good I think all have spoken thank you very much